Ganito siya. So what is this for, Riley? For the nose?
Yeah.
Nose? And this one? For what?
Buttons.
Huh?
Buttons.
Buttons? What are the buttons for?
For the snowman.
Yeah, for the snowman. I mean, what part of the snowman? So you will make a snowman like this. See this one?
Yeah.
So
But with the
you
hat.
put the nose, the hat. Where's the hat now? Wait for the hat.
In here.
So
And there's more.
you will make a snowman like this, and then this is the hat.
This is more buttons.
So what you're gonna do is build a snowman like this,
Yeah.
and then put all the stuff here, like the nose. So this one is the nose,
Yeah.
and you have to color the cheeks too, and you have to put on the hat on this, and you have to
buttons.
color the gloves. You will make a drawing like this, and then put on the buttons here, and then the shoes.
And then the buttons.
Yeah, the buttons. You will make the buttons,
But
and then
how can we
make
put
a shoes.
But how can I put on with the eyes?
You have the black buttons, right? Where's the black buttons now?
Here.
Where's black? Do you have black buttons? There's no black. It's only blue. So he will have a blue eyes. Isn't it? Where's the black buttons now? For the eyes. How can you make the eyes now if you have no black buttons? So we will put the colors in the sprayer here, right? Is it? Huh? So for the color, this one is blue, this one is red. So for the color, we will put the red colors inside here. Okay, so we'll open it like this, see, and put this one. Okay.
Now
Now?
what do we need?
Now
The green one?
the green. Yeah, this one is green. Green color for this. Are you having fun?
Yep.
Are you having fun watching? For the green color, let's put it here. No. Okay, green is ready.
Now the red. Now the red one.
Riley, what color is this?
Red.
So it's ready. So what is lacking now? What color?
It's blue.
What?
Blue.
So let's make the blue one. Blue. Let's put this one here. Like this. Color the world like this. See? Okay. Now it's ready.
Yeah, now we're ready to go.
Now we're ready to go outside and make up.
No. You're not dressed.
Yeah, I have to dress up. You're right. Okay. See you later. So this is the snowman that we built. Kailangan na lang natin ng decoration. Okay. Meron siyang paa. So now we are ready to decorate our snowman. Okay, put on the hat. Put properly. Okay.
Now what?
Now the eyes. No, not that one.
Which one?
Blue color, put in the eyes. 2 buttons. I said 2 buttons. That's not button.
Huh?
I said 2 buttons. Blue buttons. Okay. Other one. Give me the other one. Oh, it's so hard. See?
No.
Oh no, leave it like that.
And now.
And now, like this. Wait, look at this one. See? Okay. Let's put this buttons on her shirt. See? Look at that. On the nose.
Yeah, get that one. That doesn't go like that.
How? So hard. See? Like that? And
And
what
now
else?
what do we need?
What do you think? Okay, let's color the shoes. Like that?
Now can we do the blue?
Hey! What are you doing? Is this like this really? Huh?
Yeah.
Give me that.
Baby can do blue instead. Do this one. This one needs.
Look at the snowman.
What?
Look at the snowman, I said.